Hi guys, this is video part two. As you can see, I'm getting my hair's all. Anyway, nothing about that. This is part two of these expanding two brackets. So this is another example. Um, so we're going to use the foil. If I can actually draw the foil technique again, just as if you've got another example, just so you've got it can be replicated in different ways. So just remembering that the F is the first, so we're going to start off with that one. So that refers to the first term in the first bracket multiplied by the first term in the second bracket. Now what we've got here is we've got 2x times 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget the x. X times x is x squared, not to be mistaken by x plus x, which is 2x. X times x is x squared, so don't forget that. Get that really confused. All right, so the second part is the outers. This refers to the first term multiplied by the last term of the second bracket. So they're the outer ones. So we've got 2x here multiplied by 3, which is 2x times 3 is 6x. So we've got the first, the outers, now the I, which is the inner terms, which is referring to the second term and the first term of the second bracket. So that's my inners, because they're the in one, the close, they've got the outside. Let me get my camera out. We're looking at the inner bits. So now we've got 2 times 2x, which is 4x. And then the L is the last bit. So we've got now the 2 times by the 3, which is 6. So now what we should have had is that this term has been multiplied everything in here, and then we move on to the next one, and that's multiplied by everything in there as well. We shouldn't have left any bits missed out. Now the next bit is to collect all the like terms, and we go across this list, and we've got our x squared terms, and those that we've actually got it correct, and then we've got these x terms here. These are our like terms, and they're the only ones we've got in this case. So this is now going to be equal to 4x squared plus 6x plus 4x is 10x plus 6. And that's my answer. If we scroll down and we do, like we did in the last video, we did our, got our little box and our array. So I'm now going to call my width, and then we worked out the area of the whole thing, and we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we're going to find out what that length is, and we're going to call that length one of these terms. So this one's going to be the 2x, and this is going to be the 2, and this side's going to be the 2x, and this is going to be the 3. So again, I'm going to draw my line across here, and that's my width of 2x, and this is going to be my width of 2x. Ah, thank you. So now, sorry about that. So we've got 2x times 2x to fill in, to find the area of this. We've got 4x squared is the area of that little box. And then the area of this box, this length is the 2. And then this is the 2x. 2 times 2x is 4x. Then we move on to this third square. We know that that length is 2x. And we know that this length here is 3. So now that's 6x. And then the final box along there is 2, 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we just add all the boxes together. 4x squared plus 4x plus 6x plus 6. Collect the like terms. 4x squared plus 10x plus 6. And that's the same as above. So you've got two different examples now, two different methods. I actually not fussed which method, if you use the FOIL method or you use the array method. Either one is absolutely acceptable. Traditionally, the FOIL one would be the mathematical way, but every technique's correct. You do the way that you find the most efficient and the way you understand. Please watch the other video. If this was going really quick, please slow it down, play it over a few times. Jot down questions. Like if you go, hey, what did he do? What did that mean? Ask and say, talk to someone in the class and say, hey, what did he mean by that? Or ask me, or go harass Haylock next door. Do a bit of proactive thinking and learning, and have a go at some of the practice questions. All right. Good luck, guys. Thank you very much. See ya.